I am Dr. Ishwar Bohra, joint replacement surgeon at BLK Hospital. So she is Mrs. Laisa Pita from Tuvalu country. She had infected knee replacement done elsewhere 3 years ago. She came to us and she has a medical comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension and heart problem. So it was really challenge. And another is the weight. She is obese. So we decided to do the revision total knee replacement in 2 stages. One stage we have removed all the infected implant and debrided, and we put a antibiotic cement spacer, and we have given antibiotic for 6 weeks. Then we done all the tests to settle down of the infection. Then we took her for second surgery with a hinge implant from the Gmer, that is known as RHK implant from Gmer. So we did the both knee replacement with the hinge implant, and now she is going back to her country with her own fate, and she is happy, and she want to appreciate BLK and all our team.
Thank you for Dr. Ishwar for his kind and love. All the time I come to the hospital to see my sickness. Ishwar is a kind man, always smile and laugh. All the workers in the BLK is very, very good. He's love and kind to me. Now I am happy because my sick is already finished. I thank you for Dr. Ishwar because this time I walk. But when I came to Tuvalu, I can't walk. Thank you God for Ishwar for his kind and love. All the members in his BLK, very kind. Thank you very much for your love and your care and your help. Thank you.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.